Did you know you can't snore and dream at the same time? It's because snoring usually occurs during deep non-REM sleep, while dreams mainly happen during REM sleep, when your brain is most active and your body is paralyzed to prevent movement. In REM sleep, the muscles that cause snoring relax differently, so snoring typically stops when dreaming begins. That's why most people who snore don't remember their dreams. This sleep science fact explains why people often wake up tired even after sleeping for hours. Snoring interrupts the REM cycle. Some sleep conditions like sleep apnea make it even harder to enter dream states. So if you're dreaming a lot, chances are you're not snoring. And if you're snoring loud, your dreams are probably on pause. Want to know amazing facts? Subscribe for more.